Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Hello, friends. Today, let's learn about things we use for sports. Listen and learn with me. This is a ball. We use it in many sports. This is a football. We kick it to play soccer. This is a basketball. We bounce and throw it into the basket. This is a volleyball. We hit it over the net. This is a tennis ball. We hit it with a racket. This is a baseball. We hit it with a bat. This is a golf ball. We hit it with a golf club. This is a ping pong ball. We play with it on a small table. This is a hockey ball. We use it in field hockey. This is a hockey puck. We use it in ice hockey. This is a racket. We use it in tennis or badminton. This is a bat. We use it in baseball or cricket. This is a glove. We wear it to catch the ball. This is a helmet. We wear it to protect our head. These are shin guards. We wear them to protect our legs. These are skates. We wear them to move on ice. These are swimming goggles. We wear them to see in the water. This is a jump rope. We jump over for exercise. This is a net. We use it in tennis, volleyball, and badminton. This is a goalpost. We score points by kicking the ball into it. This is a yoga mat. We use it for stretching and exercise. These are dumbbells. We lift them to build strength. This is a stopwatch. We use it to count time in sports. This is a whistle. Coaches and referees use it in games. This is a cone. We use cones for training and marking space. Great job. Now, 25 things we use for sports. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.